Okay, one more here to do, just do an add one. And the tricky thing about adding fractions or rational expressions is you need to make the denominators match. Okay, so again, I'd pause the video and try this before watching the solution. Alright, so to make these match, some of you can maybe tell that this side, the left-hand side, needs an x minus 9, but if you can't, start by factoring. So this denominator factors to x minus 9 and x plus 9. They got to multiply negative 81 and add to 0, which means this side is missing an x minus 9. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom times x minus 9. Okay, so what that'll give us is matching denominators of x plus 9 times x minus 9. Okay, and then up top on this one we're going to distribute and we'll have 8x minus 72. And then this fraction we didn't change, so it's still 4. Okay, and then the final step is once the denominators match, you just keep the denominators. And in this case, add the numerators. So up top, we have 8x minus 72 plus 4. And it's really just combined like terms. Right? Sometimes I'll see students multiply by 4 or something, but you just got to add 4. So it's going to be 8x and minus 68, because negative 72 plus 4 is minus 68. Okay, and that's it. Technically, we could like factor out the top and see if it cancels, but on this one it won't. So that's it. Right? Get the denominators to match, and then in this case, add the numerators. All right, thanks for watching.